homes are selling fast and above asking price for cash. It's Friday, August 2nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Demand for luxury homes has been increasing, but inventory is not increasing fast enough to keep up with the luxury buyer demand. Bethesda, Potomac, Ellicott City, and Chevy Chase all top locations for the highest demand and the highest luxury home prices. Maryland housing inventory saw 2,113 homes hit the market this past week, rising 18% from last week, and another 927 are coming soon, which is much lower than last week. 1,746 homes went under contract in 14 days, rising this week. 1,787 homes sold since last week at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 9 days. Both indicate strong continued seller market. Rentals available for lease rose again this week to 2,376, keeping at $2,500 median dollars per month again this week. Both indications that the rental market may have slowed, rising costs for rentals. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 2nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.